What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. You already know what time it is. By the title, you can see what's happening. We are painting the dashboard, the panels today. So let's get started. Great, like I can care less about. Now, for a quick backstory, this is actually a work day for me, and luckily somehow, not entirely sure how, I'm actually going to be using the back of my work truck so I can set this stuff in there. I'm going to do these two panels first just so we can see how it looks. Let me go get the paint and stuff really quick so that way we can get things going. Yes sir, yes sir. I actually bought these before I ended up moving into this new place. We got the Rust-Oleum Black Gloss. This is actually the same company and product that I used to do the door panels right here. And you can see those turned out pretty good. It's just the fact that after a while it was like wear and tear, but it's not really that noticeable, but you can just see how good it turned out. We're gonna use the back of this truck, we're gonna tape it up and get to painting, man. Let's do it. Alright, so just a few things. We gotta wipe this down. You see all this dirt and debris and stuff like that. I'm just using some all-purpose cleaner. I got a rag here, and then after we're done cleaning it, we're gonna tape it up. I do have to get this little piece off right here. Same thing on that side as well. It's just some screws around the back. One right here and one right there. So we'll get all of that off really quickly, and then we will start painting, wrapping, and taping. So that one's done, and so is this one. This has still been sitting for a little bit. I'm gonna give this one a few more minutes, and then we're gonna give it one more coat, and then we'll work on the black. Same for this one as well. Alright, they're both done now. Just gonna let them sit and dry just like we did with the red. I'm so excited because we're literally 2 steps away from really starting to put everything back together. I might do another coat over both of these. I'm not entirely sure yet. I just want to dry and see. I want it to dry first and see how it goes. But once we pull this middle paint off, oh my god, it's gonna look so good. I can't wait. Alright, so just a few things right off the bat. I was pulling the tape off and that happened. So, gotta go back over that, I guess. And I was holding it right here with my thumb, and that happened. So it is dry, like I can rub my hand up against it, but I still think it's not properly dry. So I'm going to respray that piece, there's a few imperfections like right here. I'll redo that as well. And like right over here as well, and then I'm just gonna let them sit. Like I'm gonna let that one sit for a little bit longer too, so that way we don't have that same issue as this one, and hopefully that all works out. But I'm gonna clean this one up a little bit, and then we'll be done. Overall, I think we did good. This red is a little bit more darker only because this has been on here for just about a year. It's been hitting the sun, so it's definitely just a little bit darker, but I they're just about off. You can see this is definitely a little bit lighter, but again, this has been sitting. I've had this on here for a long time now. So once this kind of settles in, once it's all together, it's really gonna kind of like bring the car itself together. And you'll definitely be able to see the difference. But for this one, we just did one that's nice and fresh. So once we put it in, it's gonna flow with the car. As you can see back here, right where the red panel is, it matches up perfectly right here with this. So they kind of just flow all together. Then the black flows all together. And that's what I'm excited for. Once we get those in, man, you're gonna really be able to see like the vision a little bit more like. But for now, I'm actually gonna leave this one in here and put the other one in the other side as well, just so no dirt, debris gets on it, and just let it sit overnight. Then tomorrow we'll come back and do one more coat. We'll put them away for the time being after that, let them dry again, and then we will actually put them back in and install them. I gotta get all of this stuff out, which is perfectly fine, but we will put those back in this video today.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Champ. You already know. Make sure that you guys go ahead and drop that like. So just, click right there. That's all you gotta do. And then scroll on over here, hit the subscribe, and make sure I hit the notification bell. Click on all so you get all the notifications. Let's get back to the video. I love y'all. We out.
All right, so I just wanted to put this in the video, but I'm not gonna record the whole thing. I am inside of my house right now. Repaint one more time. I'm gonna do one more coat over top, and then we should be all good. See, just me like scratching it. Don't really see much happening here, so it's all good. But yeah, I'm actually doing this on my phone for TikTok. So if you guys want, you can follow me on TikTok. It's literally at Champ Vlogs. I'll put it right here. Every single thing that I've done so far with this build, I've been putting on there as well, just doing like a little short. So yeah, man, if you don't want to sit here and watch a long video, because I get it, some people don't have the time, just follow my TikTok. Literally right here, you can watch all of the process that I'm doing so far, and support your boy. All right, what's going on, guys? We're back. So I already swept that out because it was just going to be a time consuming to record all that. I swapped them out. We're just going to repaint these black. So I did 2 layers of the red. I'm going to do 2 layers of the black. So I'm going to spray it down, leave it in the sun. When you leave it in the sun, it dries a lot quicker. Spray it down one time, let it sit out and dry, and then spray it down again, and then these will be officially done to put back into the car. Then we can get on ready for this one. This is what I've been waiting for. This, once we do this, oh my god, it's gonna be amazing. So let's get into it. All right, man, it's been about an hour and they're literally completely dry to the touch. We're gonna do one more coat and then we'll be putting them back inside the car. All right, both are finally fully painted. We got both coats done on them. We're gonna let them sit out here in the sun. They literally just need to sit out and bake. Are gonna be fitting right there in the back where that little spacing is, just to match. This is my door panel right here, and then that is the back piece that we just finished painting. So that way it should all flow together. It'll be the black on top, the black on top there, black on the bottom, and then red to red. And then of course after that, we'll be doing the dash, which is gonna fully bring the entire black and red together. It's gonna look amazing. I'm so excited, bro. All right, so let me stop talking. We'll cut to the next day. Yeah. All right, it's the next day, and I can't wait. Let's do this. All right, so it's gonna be a fun day today. Let's finish this up, man. One more thing too. I have this, and I'll show you guys why in a second, and I'll explain what this is. It's not that deep. You kind of see already, but just give me a second. So we're gonna put them in. We're not fully putting them in. I just want to put them in kind of temporarily because we need to get these pieces off because we're going to be getting the headliner out because the headliner is getting done soon. I'm actually going to spray it down so it's nice and black, but then I'm also getting some other stuff done to it, which you guys will see eventually. Probably not the next video, but the following video or the one after that, you'll see. But we will be taking the headliner down soon. But I do need to get those little pieces off. But I am going to put one in really quick. Just so we can see how it looks and then go from there. But let me show you guys what this is really quick. I'm gonna be putting a link in the description down below if you guys want this. But basically this is a trim tool set. So if you have like a trim and you have a bunch of stuff that you need to like pry out or anything like that, all these pieces are in here. Now my favorite color is yellow, and I was gonna get the yellow set. They have a yellow set, a red set, a green one, a blue one. I think a pink one, I could be wrong, but they literally have it on Amazon. I will be putting the link down below, so if you guys want this exact set just like me, click the link down below and buy it. It's literally like $10 for this whole thing. Bro. Huh? Bro. Are we serious? Look at that. Lines. I completely covered this entire thing. I don't know how, but all of this happened. And I did like multiple coats, so this is even crazier. Like, I'm gonna try to do like a close spray just to get these black pieces in, and we should be good. At this point, I'm over it. Let me finish getting this tape off, and then we can. Oh my god, are you serious? All right, so this one's just a little bit better. There are still a couple lines, but right over there, I just took the other one over there and sprayed it down. I didn't record it because it is what it is. Since I have the time, while I'm waiting for that one to bake, I'm actually going to put this one in really quick just so I can see it. I just want to see how it's going to look, bro, because I know it's going to look good. Let me put this one in real quick. Let's see what's up. The black one on the top mixing with the next black looks so good. And then to see at the bottom as well. Now, obviously, this black is going to look a little bit more shinier. It's only because this side was done recently, and I've had this one done for about a year and a half now. This is back when I was originally starting to build, but then I just kind of BS my way out of it. You can also see this BS carbon fiber, and it's like broken right there at the bottom. So we will be replacing these pieces eventually, but for now, we just want to get the big stuff done. Like, just imagine when I walk up to this car, and it's just like, wow, that looks so good. All right, it's time. It's time. Let's get to it. Let's do it. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm trying to put this in today. We might actually put this in today. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. My issue is gonna be trying to do this without the seat. Think right about there is good. Tell me, what do y'all think? Oh my god. Now, I'm kind of iffy about this. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm kind of iffy about it. Maybe I'm gonna give it some time to let it grow on me, but I am not 100% sure how I feel. I feel like I'm iffy about it, but I also like it. But maybe it's also because a lot of these pieces aren't still in, like, I still have to put the airbag and stuff back in here, and with the carbon fiber pieces and with the screen and the vents and everything put back in, I'm confident that maybe it will look better. Of course, like, all of this just seems like a lot, but of course this will be covered up because of the center console piece. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section down below, what do y'all think? I think, not that I don't like it, I'm just not sure if I did too much red. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. What do y'all think? Please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I'm kind of nervous. I kind of like, I feel like it might be too much. I don't know. You let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. And yeah, after some time of sitting with it, I don't like this at all. This is like, it's rice. It's a lot of rice going on here. So here's the plan. Actually, I'm not even gonna tell you guys. You'll see in the next video. But for now, if you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But until then, it's your boy Champ, and we out.